Hi friends, this is Mr. Bowenzy. A quick Google Classroom tutorial. If you haven't learned about this already, it's going to help you keep track of all your work. So I'm here in Google Classroom. I'm in my student account, so it should look like what you see. It's all my classes, all those tiles. And then right here is this really wonderful To Do button. So I'm going to click on that and see what happens. So it's loading. First thing I see these three tabs. Okay. And then below it, there's assignments that have been assigned with no due date, assignments for this week, and then next week. Okay, and then down here for later, which I don't have any in my student account. Okay, so these little arrows open and close information for you. So whenever you see something like this, and this is pretty much any web application or app, whatever, that means that something you can explore. Now up here we have these different tabs, and you can see that they get highlighted. You have these different tabs, and you can see that they can be highlighted. And so here's the missing work. Oh, Mr. Bowenzy, look at all these missing assignments, and there's a view all option. Uh-oh, let's find out how many. Oh no! All these things. And so you can see there's the name of the assignment. Red means it's missing or has not been done or turned in. It's when it was due, and then the class right here. So this shows up for all of my classes, right? The little gray thing in the bottom. So I can see I haven't done work for any of them. Oh, I've got a lot of catching up to do. But when I do them, and so there's also stuff from last week, okay, right, and then even earlier. Oh my gosh, so much work. So I go ahead and I open it, okay, gives me all the information like normal, okay, I do the things. This one's got a flip grid. We'll pretend I go do it, and I'm gonna mark it as done. Yep. Okay, it says it's fine. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to my to-do, right? And you can find it in the side menu right there, the to-do thing. Okay, and we were looking for the EEI flip grid for 6th grade band. So missing is not there anymore, right? So it automatically gets rid of it, okay? And if I go to the assigned or the done, sorry, if I go to the done part, there it is, right? That thing is turned in, it's waiting on a grade. So for those of you who's like, everything gets lost in the stream, don't use the stream. It is a horrible way to find stuff. It's good for like, hey, quick updates, okay? The places that you should be going to are the to-do option, or if you want to go to a specific class, go to the classwork sign, okay? Right? The classwork tab tells you what's been done, what has not been done, right? If it's grade, done. If it's colored, not done, right? So that's a way to tell you as well. Those are the two places that you should be going. The stream is great for like announcements and stuff, and like some things get populated, and then if your teacher has it open where you are, if the teacher has it open where you can like comment on things and be social, goodbye classwork, right? So places that you should be going are classwork for individual classes, right? Okay, or that really wonderful to-do list, right? And then you just explore, okay, and it tells you all the things that you've done and haven't done, okay? So those of you who are catching up on work, this missing tab is going to be your best friend, and you just start going, all right? Do one assignment at a time, take a break in between, and then come back, right? And also, I highly suggest that you do whatever is due today, get that done, and then go back to your whatever, then go work on your makeup work. And you can either start from the stuff that's done earliest, or you can work backwards, whatever works for you, but get today's stuff done first, then work on like whatever projects you have, and then you do your makeup work, right? And make it up. Especially in my class, because you have until the end of the quarter to make it up, you know. And if you're you have to, think about your makeup work in reference to what your teacher's policies are, but this is the best way. This is a way that's going to help you get caught up. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope that was informative. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being you. How do I stop this?